Hi everyone, let me show you in this video very quickly and easily how you can make your forms password protected in BreezyBit within your Salesforce org. So I have a test form that I created here and I want to make this form password protected. I don't want anyone to be able to just open it and do submissions, right? So I'm going to share this with a certain group of customers and I will tell them, okay, this is the password that you need to use to open this form in the email and you can just do the submission. So what I need to do here is on the right side, as you see, there is the form protection section here. I just need to click on form protection. The default value is no protection. And I have two other options, form level protection, and I will show you also the record level protection. If you use URL parameters and make this thing really dynamic with using passwords and set the password dynamically as well, you can do it too. But if you want to set a static password at the form level, you can just select form level protection and you can just say, okay, what is going to be the password? Let's make it something really easy for, just testing purposes. So 12345 is going to be my password. And what I want people to be seeing, on the password page, I can just enter the text here too. If I save the form here, and if I go to form sharing and click on the form URL right now, as you see, my users are going to be seeing this page, password protected. This is the text I entered here too. And I know that my password is 12345. If I open this form, as you see, I have this page here opened up. Since I entered actually some information already before, they are saved in there too. So, but this is how you can set a static password at the form level. But especially if you're using dynamic prefill, and if you want to set actually a dynamic password, like in this one, for example, if I go to the form sharing, not form sharing, form protection, you will see that I set record level protection for this form. What's happening here is this is an account form. If I go to the account object in Salesforce, in Sales Cloud, if I go to one of these accounts, what we do is here actually we create pre-fill URLs using a formula field for you in your org. And for security purposes, actually, we are using keys, encrypted keys. We are not you're using the record IDs here. And what you can do here is if I want to share this with my customers, when they go to this form, it's password protected and they need to enter their access code. And in this case, for example, if I look at that form, the access code is going to be their email address. I set this dynamically. Any field that I have on their records, I can use it. In this case, I use the email address. So if I go to this one, their email address is demo@breezybit.com, for example. And if I go to this form and enter the password, open this up, as you see, the whole form is came to me pre-filled because we are using the pre-filled dynamic pre-fill feature here too. This is a really nice use case actually. Imagine a company, they send this form to their users every year and they ask them, okay, if there's any change in your email address, your phone number, your address, please make all of those changes. Or if you ask them to, upload some documents every year to refresh that, you can ask them to do that. You can collect their signatures, and store this in your org as well. But without giving your users access to your Salesforce org, without needing any extra licenses, you can ask them to make changes in their records using password protected forms with BreezyBit. But this is again how password protection works with BreezyBit. Either at the form level or at the record level, you can set dynamic passwords for your forms and share with your clients. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.